Tinubu won't step down for any APC presidential aspirant in 2023, Dr. Aguru said. Dr. Olopade Aguru, former presidential candidate and national chairman of the National Action Council (NAC), on Wednesday said Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, national leader of the ruling All Progressive Congress (APC), is qualified to succeed President Muhammadu Buhari in 2023. Speaking in a chat with Daily Independent, Aguru, who described Tinubu as the most resourceful politician in the southern part of the country, said the former Lagos state governor has paid his dues and has all it takes to lead Nigeria. He added that without Tinubu's assistant, President Buhari, who had given up after he lost in 2011 presidential election, wouldn't have won the 2015 and 2019 presidential election. Aguru also said Tinubu has been patient enough and will not step down for anyone in 2023. Someone did the work for Buhari in 2015, and without him, Buhari wouldn't have become president. Somebody labored and worked assiduously to see that Buhari, who was then hopeless in 2014, became hopeful. That man has really paid his price and is no other person than Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. That is why the pendulum should swing in 2023. He is a seasoned politician and will make a good president if elected. Except we want to deceive ourselves. I don't see Tinubu stepping aside for anybody now. He has waited patiently and I believe this is the right time for him. He is the best and most resourceful politician in the South at the point. Although he has not spoken about whether he will contest or not, his body language shows that he will contest. Thank you for listening to this news. My viewers, see, this our country is in two phases. It's in two phases. You know why I say it's in two phases? We have some persons that are in support of Bola Ahmed Tinubu. We have some persons that are against him. Do you understand? Tinubu becoming president depends on the people and not Tinubu himself. And besides, I will tell you, without missing words, that if APC decide to make Tinubu the aspirant representing APC for the presidential campaign come 2023, the opportunity of Tinubu becoming the president of Nigeria will be very, very slim. Will be very, very slim. Will be at the slim side. You understand? Will be at the slim side. So, my viewers, Tinubu has lost the trust of Nigeria during the period he was the governor of Lagos State. He has lost the opportunity of becoming president the moment he became the governor of Lagos State. Tinubu introduced so much that wasn't even welcomed in Lagos State. So, do you think that people will open their eyes completely and still elect someone that introduced something that the masses never accepted as president? My viewers, have you forgotten the issue of the bullion van? Have you forgotten the issue of the road transport workers? There are so many things that Tinubu did that Nigerians never welcomed. Tinubu only have hope in Lagos State. What about the other places? Have you forgotten that politics is a game of number? Only those who have the opportunity will take the crown. APC should better think about it well before giving him the opportunity. He should better think twice, because to me, I don't think that confidence is there. Do you understand? So my viewers, what's your take on this news? Please don't hesitate to leave your comment behind. Click on the subscription button as well as bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.